How excited are you to see Japan and Scotland?
Wow, I mean, incredible, no?
Wow! Japan lead. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back for international weekend. And no, we're not back for qualifiers. No, we're not back for playoffs. We're back for a friendly to warm up for the World Cup. This is absolute madness. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you can't remember back to that last Scotland match that we done, let me give you a little reminder. Scotland are going to the World Cup! Oh, what a night that was. Honestly, guys, I've still not actually processed the fact that Scotland have qualified for the World Cup. Now, that was an incredible night. Both that night and the Greece night. 2 nights that we weren't expected to win, and we've done the unthinkable. And guys, I'm going to let you in on something that is absolutely incredible about both of these nights. Watch these 2 clips and tell me in the comments if you notice anything. Now, I would love to tell you what it is. However, you're going to need to wait till Tuesday and tune in to what is going to be a special video for Scotland's trip to Liverpool in the brand new Hill Dickinson Stadium. If you think you know what it is, put it in the comments below. If not, tune in to Tuesday's video. Oh, I do love Scottish football. Perfect spring weather. Beautiful. Look at that. World Cup, Scotland. Best feeling in the world, come on. Honestly, what a feeling. Never in my lifetime have I felt like this. Look at this. Scotland, World Cup 26. Come on. Boys, we're going to the World Cup. How good does it feel?
It's honestly amazing. I can't believe we've done it.
Today, can we beat Japan?
3-4, Scotland.
Up game, 2 each.
We're back for the first time since that crazy night against Denmark. And ladies and gentlemen, we're back for Scotland versus Japan in the lead up to the 2026 World Cup. Yes, both teams today have qualified for the 2026 World Cup. Both teams won their respective groups and both teams will be looking to get a result here today. Yes, it's a Japan team who are not to be overlooked. Remember, this team right here are the 19th best team in the world. So this is going to be no easy fixture for Scotland here today. What will the score be today?
3-0 for Japan. 3-0.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Boys, how buzzing are we? Scotland are going to the World Cup?
Yes!
We're buzzing. Quickly, score predictions.
2-1.
You wait your turn, young man.
2-1 Scotland.
Yes.
2-0. 3-0. What he said. 2-0. 3-1. 2-1. 2-0. 3-1. 2-0.
And finally, who's winning the World Cup?
Scotland!
Yes, come on. First of all, welcome to Scotland.
Thank you, thank you.
Are you from Japan yourself?
We are, yes, indeed from Japan, but we live in Germany actually.
Oh wow, excellent.
Actually, I work in Adidas and I made the shirt.
How excited are you to see Japan and Scotland?
Wow, I mean, incredible, no? I mean, we are both playing in the World Cup. Can't wait.
And do you think there will be a lot of Japanese in the stadium?
We saw a lot of Japanese.
Yeah?
On the flight from Germany to here, and today around the city, so I think it's a pretty lot of. There are a lot of Japanese, I think.
And the Japanese are great people, great country. We are so excited to welcome you guys inside this stadium. What do you think as Japanese about Scotland qualifying for the World Cup?
I mean, that's incredible, right? I mean, that's one of the historic football nations in the world, and having them in the World Cup is incredible.
Well, you're welcome here today.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one and good luck today. As you can see here, there's quite a few Japanese fans out and about. Good to see. Do you know what? Everyone's welcome here. Scotland, we're a welcoming country. And I'm sure with Japan being one of the most supported football nations in the world, there's going to be quite a few Japanese fans in here. This is going to be an excellent atmosphere. And do you know what? I'm buzzing for it. And so are they, because we're going to the World Cup.
Aye.
Right, young man, look at this. Mixed sauce. Best player in the world.
Mixed sauce.
Ballon d'Or.
Mixed sauce.
He's well drilled, isn't he? He's well drilled. Young man, are Scotland going to win the World Cup?
Yeah.
He's well drilled. What a guy. What a brilliant atmosphere. Do you know, Japanese people, they are absolutely fantastic. Let's get inside this stadium. And for the first time since that monumental night, ladies and gentlemen, we're back at Hampden Park to see the mighty Scotia. Scotland v Japan, it's good to be back. Come on, Scotland. Just before kick-off, look at the difference in the amount of photographers from Scotland to the amount from Japan. Jeez, oh man. It's fair to say Japan are wanted, a very popular country, and here we go. For the first time since that famous night against Denmark, Scotland are back, and we're going to the World Cup. Wow!
Please be upstanding if you can.
Look at that, the Japan away support. Oh, amazing. There we go, the Japanese national anthem, and now it's time for the best anthem in the world. Mr. Dyson Maeda, the Celtic man who's played in this stadium many a time. He knows this pitch all too well. He'll be looking to make an impact today in a World Cup warm-up. Let's go. Great start. Hey, Japan fans are loving this. Look at them go. It was crazy coming into this international break. Scotland usually having either a playoff or a big game still to go, and we had nothing to do. We've already qualified for the World Cup. No playoffs, nothing. We've done it. It's just crazy. Scotland fans singing Kenny McLean for the halfway line. Love it. What a goal. An awful lot of families in the stadium today. It's a totally different atmosphere from the usual. What this is great for is it's great to have so many families here today watching the heroes that have qualified for the World Cup. Some of the youth that probably haven't had the chance to see the Scotland team in the flesh, they're getting here to Hampden today and they're getting to see their national team heroes. Everyone wants a chance to see these Scotland heroes now, and heroes indeed. What a save, the keeper. What a save. I think it might have been Lyndon Dykes or McTominay, but the keeper's made an incredible save there, denying Scotland from getting an early lead. What a save. Point blank range and he's missed. Not like Scotland, especially after the last game. Dyson Maeda. Get a nice reception for the rest of the Scottish fans in here. He loves it. Oh, interesting. Maeda's actually the captain of Japan here today. Big Dyson. Not been very good for Celtic this season, but when he's on his game, he is a very, very good player. Yep, we have indeed. As I said before, this will not be an easy game. Japan, they've actually beat Brazil in the last round of friendlies. They're 19th in the world and they've qualified for the World Cup, so it's a brilliant test for Scotland. Maybe not tonight, Kenny. The real question is, does this man deserve a statue? I think he does. Qualified for the Euros, qualified for the World Cup, best Scotland manager ever. I don't want to hear anything else. Look at this guy. Him and all. Love it. I must admit, I think all the energy's been zapped from that Denmark game. I think we used every last ounce of energy for that game, because this place is getting none. And of course it's a different crowd, it's a different atmosphere, etc. But very quiet so far. Just two teams that are happy to pass it about, find each other out. Both teams have done the hard work, have qualified for the World Cup, so I think they're just happy to get a nice wee friendly today. They're loving life. Good on them. Japan starting to pressure now. Listen to their fans. Just before half time. Can we get a goal? Save. Japan are in just before half time. Oh my, it's off the line. Oh wow. Block, two huge chances before the half. And then we go half time. No breakthrough yet for either team. 0-0 for the World Cup qualifiers. And here we go. 45 minutes. Can either country find a winner? Oh! Big McTominay. King. Robertson. Save! Andy Robertson! Wow! Come on, can we get a goal? Oh, made that again. The bagpipes get going, and all Flower of Scotland rings out in Hampden. The most beautiful anthem in world football. Goosebumps every time. Both teams making substitutes. Let's hope it livens this game up a bit. We need that goal, come on. Oh wow, what a strike. Nearly a goal for Japan there. I must admit, this has probably been one of the most boring games of football I've watched. Both teams, I just think they've done what they need to do now and they can't be bothered scoring. It's definitely not been a 100% effort game anyway, but who cares? We've both got to the World Cup. Oh, just as I say that, Japan are in. Oh my god, what a save. A young Messi in the ranks. Oh, I get caught out that time. I didn't get caught out in the first half, but I get caught out there. I thought that was a goal. What was in? Gutter. Fair play to these Japan fans. They have not stopped singing all game. One now. Japan lead. Goal. Japan. Just as I was talking about the Japan fans, they get to celebrate 1-0 with 10 minutes to go. And at last, we get a goal. Unfortunately not for Scotland. That sums up our afternoon. A lot of Scotland fans have seen enough. They're going home. Let's just hope we don't play like this in the World Cup. It has been a borefest here tonight. Japan just controlling the ball now, taking the sting out of the game. They'll be happy to go away with a victory here today. An easy 1-0 win and off to England next at Wembley. Three minutes added on. Japan looking for a second. Pretty disappointed tonight, but it's friendlies, you're going to try out things. This is the time to make mistakes, not in the World Cup. And there we go, 1-0 to Japan, the visitors from Asia. Go away for victory. Well done Japan, and I'll see you in Liverpool on Tuesday.